Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to insert the image in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Sheets. Okay, and now suppose if I want to insert any image from the online means, for that what you can do is like here you can see the insert option. Click on the insert and once you scroll down and here you can see the image. Okay, so here there are two different options, like whether you want to insert the image in cell or insert the image over the cell. Okay, so suppose if you want to insert the image in cell means like that particular image will be inserted only in this particular cell, and suppose if you insert the image over the cell means you can insert that particular image like whichever the size you want over the cells. Okay, you can insert that particular image from this cell to this any number of cell. Okay, let's take an example. Now suppose if I want to insert the image in cell, okay, that means like I want to insert that particular image in any one of the cell. Okay, so now here there are so many different options, like whether you want to upload that particular image which is saved in your system. This is the particular option, and this is the webcam, and webcam means like that particular image will be taken from your camera. Okay, and this is the link, this is the photos, Google Drive, images. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just take an example with respect to the Google Images, since we are working on the Google Sheets. Okay, and here you can search for any image, like here I will just search for any kind of image. I will just search like a cat. Okay, so now suppose I want to insert the image in the cell means I will just select any one of the image. So let's try to select this particular cat. Okay, so just click on the insert. Okay, so now you can see that particular image has been inserted in the cell. Okay, so this is the example like how you can insert the image in the cell. Okay, so now let's take an example with respect to inserting the image over the cell. That means like this image or any kind of image you can insert over the cell. You can insert from here to here or from here to here. So from wherever you want and from wherever to wherever you want. Okay. So let's take an example. Insert the image, insert image over cell. Click on that. Go to the Google Images. Here I will just take with respect to animals. Okay, so now select any one of the image. I will just select this particular image, insert. Okay, so now you can see this particular image has been inserted over the cells. Okay, that means like this image has occupied so many different rows and columns. Okay, but this has occupied only one row in one column. Okay, so this is how you can insert the image in the cell and over the cells. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.